funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel and another clean with me. Today we're tackling almost the whole house for some ultimate cleaning motivation. I hope that you guys get up and motivated and inspired to tackle your own mess alongside with me today. As you can see, we are cleaning top to bottom. We're going ahead and starting off here in my master bedroom. I'm just going to go ahead, tidy off the bed, clean up, make the bed, and just do some daily cleaning tasks.
And we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown, before the clock runs out.
Let me know what you are doing while watching today, if you are up cleaning along with me, or if you are looking to get motivated.
Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up.
If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here time and time again. I appreciate you so much, and just that you take some time out of your day to come and spend it with me to get inspired and motivated. So thank you so much for being here. And if you are new, my name is Brianne and I am a mom to two little girls. I have a 2- and 4-year-old, and here on my channel you will find lots of cleaning motivation and lifestyle content. I share homemaking motivation as well, but I really like to share with you guys the real life messes of a mom, lots of realistic motivation, before and after transformations, and the odd home DIY project. So if that is what you are interested in, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button before you leave, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Also, if you do have any suggestions while watching my videos with like cleaning products or something that you do that works in your home, I would love if you shared it down below. I love sharing just systems that work for me, cleaning motivations and routines that kind of work for me and our home, and I hope that you can implement them into your own home to really help your home run a little bit smoother. So that's what I'm here to do today, and again, I hope that you are enjoying the video so far.
Not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
I am all about preventative cleaning and routines so that you don't have to deep clean as often. Of course, you're never gonna totally get away from deep cleaning, but I feel like when you have a solid cleaning routine, it is just so much easier to stay on top of things, and that is why I share a lot of cleaning motivation. This is literally just real life cleaning for you guys. I mean, in today's video, I did again tackle almost the whole house, but I was just working room through room, tackling what needed to be done. And that looks different every single day. I know that we are soon getting into spring cleaning, and I am so excited. It is the strangest thing. I get so pumped for cleaning. Like, so pumped. And spring cleaning too, just like deep cleaning. I find it so disgustingly satisfying, and so I wanted to move our furniture in today's video and really get behind there. Wait until you see what was underneath my other couch. So I just wanted to let you guys know about my newsletter and email list. I don't talk about it often, but I actually just recently shared some cleaning checklists, and I'm also launching a new spring cleaning workbook. And so if you want to be the first to know about that, make sure that you go ahead and join my newsletter. I will have the link down in the description box. I have had this newsletter for quite some time, and I don't know why, but I just never really talk about it. And then I had someone on Instagram reach out to me about it, and I just realized I should probably talk about it more. So go ahead and join that down below. You'll see the link down in the description.
I don't wanna seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both learned everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you.
So the girls and I had made a trip to the dollar store a little bit earlier in the day here, so that's where those baskets came from, and just like these markers and stuff. But I wanted to go ahead and tidy up the kitchen table. You'll notice I did leave that map there, as my 2-year-old had just finished it and she was so proud of it, and she was actually sleeping while I was filming today. That's when I do a lot of my filming, is during nap time, #momlife. But I didn't want to take it apart as I knew she would be very upset, so I wanted to wait until she was awake and I could actually tell her, so that's why I left it on the table. But back to those baskets, I will be organizing a little bit in the playroom coming up here, so stay tuned for a little bit more, obviously cleaning motivation, but as well as just a little bit of organization motivation.
Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both learned everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you, come back to.
As you can see, our main bathroom does get quite messy. We have 2 bathrooms in this house, and again, this is kind of our main bathroom. I have to clean this every single day, and I'm talking like wipe it down. It gets so dirty, and if I didn't maintain it and keep up, I did a bathroom clean with me not too long ago, and there was like some extreme cleaning motivation. I deep cleaned the grout, and it was very, very thorough. And so that's what happens when I don't maintain it. So I have been trying to up my game and keeping the bathroom nice and clean, but there is obviously some times where I just don't have the energy, and that's okay too. So it's all about finding that balance and what works for you and your home. But I do promise you, if you can try and keep up with it and just do little things here and there, honestly, the wipe down in this bathroom takes me maybe 10 minutes max to like totally clean it. So hang in there. I want you to know you're doing an incredible job, and I also want you to know that what you do around your home matters. So I hope that you can take a little bit of encouragement from that and know that, you know, this hair here has been here for quite some time, but I'm tackling it now. So just try to give yourself some grace, and again, know that what you do around your home matters.
Like in the beginning, we both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you? Leaning on fire, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip with you? Leaning on fire, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me?
As you can see, this playroom just gets out of control. So I wanted to go ahead and just do a really quick clean and organize and get this mess under control.
I was feeling down low, you just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh baby, higher than the ceiling. I feel everything is spinning. I was feeling down low, you just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leading out for you, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leading out for you, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
Alright, so we have now moved down into the basement now that the whole main living area of the house is all clean. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by vacuuming, and down here in the basement we are going to tackle my disastrous office space as well as my makeup vanity and the bathroom down here.
And we could have some fun, have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are. And you would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute,
Alright everybody, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I'm not going to lie, it was not on my to-do list to kind of tackle the whole house, but here we are. I just finished cleaning basically the entire house and it feels so good. I just love when like you start cleaning, one thing leads to another, and the next thing you know, you just have more energy and you feel great because the house is clean. So I'm gonna go enjoy some time with my family and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.